Home. Okay, let them take theirs. Okay. Whoa. Good job.
I say hi to my roly poly.
There's a roly poly. Okay, go over there.
Punch him in the face.
Whoa, he's holding up this whole thing. Like Pandora.
Check it out, I am glowing. I am glowing. I'm
Whoa. Needle's eye.
Dios mío, o sea que aquí no fueron a 200 de pesos porque no pasa.
Okay. Now Clumpies for some. Ooh! Is it really clumpy? Oh, this is our breakfast pizza. Honey feed.
Here you go, Addie.
The kids' meals are huge. They're splitting. And ending
Look
on
at
the
these
chicken.
tater tots. These are huge.
Charcoal lemonade.
It's not. What type of game is it? So it's mine here.
That's got one.
You ready? Might fly away. I don't know what it'll do.
That's a firefly?
Yeah.
That thing looks gross.
Oh, it's underneath. See if we can get on the walk. Right there is the part that lights up. Too bright. Saw it light up?
Yeah! Ooh.
Too bright.
Yeah, and
It's too bright for the camera to see those ones. If we wait 10 minutes, it'll...
Light it up again!
Whoa! It likes you. It likes you.
Oh, mine lit up again. Oh, it flew away. Mine flew away one time.
It likes you.
Mine's beeping. He loves to. Andy says beep, 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 beep. Mine's. Wait! You have a key! Beep. I told you mine's beeper. Ooh, they're communicating to each other from their thumbs. It's a funny way to.
Beep, 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 beep.
I have 2 fireflies.
They love Addie.
They're talking to each other.
All of them love me.
I'm gonna get another one for you.
Porter, what you got there?
Fishing pole.
Ooh, there's your hook. There's your line hooked up there. There's your pole.
I want to take
All
a
right,
picture of
let's
the
see
fish
how you
if
do.
we get one. Go, cast it. Dad, oh, you get it.
Ew. You like it? We're in the elevator.
Wait, what are we going to do when we get in?
We're going to see the caves. Ooh.
When you get up to the left hand side, come on up as far as you can and over to the left. You do not have to.
Oh yeah, the turtle's right here. Right here. This must be the Hungry Cavern. Potato chips and bacon. Need to go down?
That's not.
You like it, Addie?
You do it.